In this episode of Gav Details, we're going to be working on the Q50S because the hood struts don't hold the hood up all the way. As you can see here, there is a little bit of play in them, and then you can actually see a little bit of fluid there. The dealer said it's normal, so it's normally leaky and not at full extension. So the only tools that you should need to do the job is a long handle and a short handle screwdriver. I will put the link for the struts in the description of the video. Okay, so Tim is going to be working on the top part of the strut. I'm going to be supporting the hood just in case. So that's the clip that holds it in place. So as we see, it would hold, but it's always better safe than sorry. If you don't have a second person, can use a vice grip.
Yeah.
So yes, if you don't have a second person, you have to do this alone. You can use a vice grip.
You just clamp it right on the other support that you're not messing with.
Yeah.
It'll keep it from moving.
Right. So the new support comes with its own clip, or you reuse the clip?
Nope, new clip.
Okay.
And they should just pop on with a little bit of force.
Okay, so the bottom's on and the camera is still focused on the top. So it is okay. And that easy. So what you want to do is get the bottom on first, and then as you use one hand to press it onto the mount on the hood, you want to put a little bit of pressure on the top side of the hood, and that's pretty much it. So what Tim did was, there's a little opening for you to get the blade of the screwdriver in, and you pretty much just work it and pull the clip out, and then you can pull the mount off. Okay, so as you can see, there is a clip here, and then you can go from the bottom, so it'd be wise to have a small blade screwdriver. It's possible to also go from the top because there is a small groove here on the top. So you go like this, and then you just wedge it in, and you want to pull the clip off. It's probably wise, if you're working with two hands, to have your other hand here so that it doesn't fling out at yourself, your helper, or another vehicle that may be parked nearby. So after checking the video, didn't really get a shot of the bottom, but there is a clip that holds it in place, and as you can see, there's no fluid here on the new ones. You can see that the top mount should have the angled mount on the hood strut. So the same thing was done on the driver's side, and apparently this car is a little odd because you can choose to start to close the hood, and if you're at a car show, you can leave it half open and half closed because everybody can see your ceramic coated paint and your somewhat clean engine bay. So after speaking with Tim, apparently what you have to do on this is it opens to a point, and then you open it the rest of the way. On the factory mounts and struts, it would provide a little bit of resistance halfway up, and now it is super smooth with the new ones. So you can get a better look of the little clip and the groove where you can put your needle nose pliers maybe, or even the flat head screwdriver. So for a quick how-to video on Gav details, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Amazon links in the description do help support the channel, and the link to the strong arm hood struts will also be in the description. And for upcoming Camaro videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.